Thank you. So at Mount Olives, what you're supposed to remember is it happened immediately after celebrating the what? The Last Supper. So Jesus went to Mount of Olives to pray. He was praying because he wanted to resist temptation. And when he went there, some of his disciples followed him. And Jesus told them to pray so that they should not enter into what? Temptation. And he went at a stone throw away. That is, he just went a little bit far away from them and started to pray. Yes, and he wanted God to do his will. He knelt down and continued praying. Then after a while when he rose, he went back. And he found the what? The disciples sleeping. What he did is he questioned them and told them to pray in order not to enter into what? Temptation. So what is the importance, or what is the significance of the disciples falling into temptation? It shows that they were physically exhausted. They were physically exhausted. And Jesus showed the struggle. He was struggling to fulfill the mission, the messianic mission of dying for people's sins on the what? On the cross. But what we learn also here is that we should pray for God's what? Help as Christians. We should always pray to avoid temptation. If you have any problem, you should always seek God's help. So now we move to the betrayal. Chapter 22, verse 39 to 46. Answer 39.
And he came out and went, as was his custom, to the Mount of Olives, and the disciples followed him.
And when he came to the place, he said, pray that you may not enter into temptation. And they introduced not the same you. And knelt down and prayed.
Thou art willing, remove this cup from me. Nevertheless, not my will, but be done.
And when he rose from there, he came to the disciples and found them sleeping for sorrow. And he said to them, why do you sleep? Rather pray that you may not enter into temptation.
Yes.